Hey, I need to tell you something.
What is it?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are. I'll see you around, Wolf.
Look,
I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real. People are scared of you. You ate a lot of people back in your day.
I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past.
Well, you can't change people's memories either.
Everyone knows you. Big Bad Wolf.
Bigby, be honest with me. Who do you think did this?
But there is nothing you could do. You lose as they fear you, and they keep running from you. They refuse.
It feels kind of like home. And I've heard it said that you kind of enjoy it when things go wrong, because it gives you an excuse to just, you know, stop pretending.
So what if I do? You think we're broken or something? Is that it?
The past is not a lie. You're unstable. But there is nothing you could do. You lose. I see you're not the wolf from long ago.
Everyone knows you.
To see you're not the wolf from long ago.